Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a yellow car. So let's start to draw. Today we are learn how to draw a car. So step by step follow how I am drawing. At first we are draw the two wheel of the car. Yes, like that. Now we are draw the structure of the car. Yeah. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. It's time to learn the colors name. This is our colors: cyan color, yellow color, black color, gray color, orange color. So let's start to paint. At first we are using the yellow color. Yeah, like that. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.